Cytotoxic T cells are selective and serial killers of targets expressing specific antigen. When cytotoxic T cells are offered a mixture of equal amounts of two target cells, one bearing specific antigen and the other not, they kill only the target cell bearing the specific antigen. The innocent bystander cells and the cytotoxic T cells themselves are not killed, despite the fact that cloned cytotoxic T cells can be recognized and killed by other cytotoxic T cells, just like any tissue cell. At first sight, this may seem surprising, because the effector molecules released by cytotoxic T cells lack any specificity for antigen. The explanation probably lies in the highly polar release of the effector molecules. Cytotoxic T cells orient their Golgi apparatus and microtubule organizing center to focus secretion on the point of contact with the target cell. Cytotoxic T cells attached to several different target cells reorient their secretory apparatus toward each cell in turn and kill them one by one, strongly suggesting that the mechanism whereby cytotoxic mediators are released allows attack at only one point of contact at any one time. The narrowly focused action of cytotoxic CD8 T cells allows them to kill single infected cells in a tissue without creating widespread tissue damage, and is of critical importance in tissues where cell regeneration does not occur, as in neurons of the central nervous system, or is very limited, as in pancreatic islets. Cytotoxic T cells can kill their targets rapidly because they store preformed cytotoxic proteins in forms that are inactive in the environment of the lytic granule. Cytotoxic proteins are synthesized and loaded into the lytic granules during the first encounter of naive cytotoxic precursor T cell with its specific antigen. Ligation of the T cell receptor similarly induces de novo synthesis of perforin and granzymes in armed effector CD8 T cells, so that the supply of lytic granules is replenished. This makes it possible for a single CD8 T cell to kill many targets in succession. And that cytotoxic T cells are selective and serial killers of targets expressing specific antigen. Have a great day.